Quiet weather to start the weekend, and as of right now, not a whole lot going on. Looking to our south, though, still seeing flooding issues across the Gulf Shore. A lot of moisture to our south, but for us, we are seeing clearing of skies and quiet weather. Here is a Crossville view. Not much wind. You can see the flags kind of very still. Temperature in Crossville 67. Dew point a little bit higher than last night, but still not too bad. I think by Monday, though, dew points will be back in the 70s, feeling quite muggy. But as of right now, some areas still feel comfy, but the yellow shades, the muggy air trying to work its way back in, but overall not too bad as we go throughout the overnight. Temperatures right now, mid-70s, seeing a few middle 60s. Oneida 66, Wartburg is at 70, and Oak Ridge is at 74. As we go throughout the overnight tonight, most areas falling down to the lower to mid-60s, so pretty seasonable for this time of the year. Maybe a few mid to upper 50s across the Kentucky-Tennessee border, low 60s across the Cumberland Plateau, so not too bad as we start Sunday. But those southwest winds will pick up, and here's what happens to the comfort cast. The first thing in the morning, not bad, nice and comfy, but by noontime, kind of splits between muggy and sticky air across western sections, and then by the evening, that tropical moisture builds back in, and that will fuel some chances for some rain. But I think at least for the daylight hours Sunday, we're looking dry. Most are dry. Could be a stray shower, but if you have plans, tomorrow's looking good. Only issue is the heat. We are back in the 90s, and with that humidity, probably feeling around 5 degrees hotter. So highs tomorrow, upper 80s and lower 90s, but probably feeling like the middle 90s with all that moisture. It's going to be a hot day. Beyond that, as we go throughout Sunday night, I did decrease chances for rain, but still can't rule out a few showers and storms. By daybreak, though, chances will be going up, because here's what we are tracking. Here is the latest model run showing Sunday, 10 a.m., we're dry, that's East Tennessee, but different story across the Missouri region, across the Midwest. We're tracking storms making their way towards us, and here's at 6 o'clock, still dry in East Tennessee. We're watching that line, still holding strong across areas to our northwest at 3 o'clock in the morning, but this latest model run has it fallen apart, and that could be good for the morning. But if this happens, it might actually make the atmosphere more primed for stronger storms Monday afternoon. Here's 6 a.m. Remember, it's just a computer model. This could change. Looks pretty quiet as we go throughout the mid-morning into the afternoon. If that happens, those storms could be strong to severe with all the moisture in place, and there will be some dynamics for those severe storms. Still very uncertain on the timing, but Sunday night into Monday and maybe Monday afternoon, could be seeing some of those stronger storms. 1 out of 5 risk for Monday for that severe storm threat. The flood potential a little bit higher, a medium, a 2 out of 4, because just the atmosphere will be very saturated, and if we can get training storms, there could be seeing some flooding. So a weakening line of storms will be arriving Monday morning. With that line, probably non-severe, maybe some stronger wind gusts. Question, can the atmosphere recover for the afternoon? If it does, we could be seeing some strong to severe storms for Monday afternoon and evening. Still in question, but worth watching. Tuesday and Wednesday, looking a lot drier, mid-80s, so pretty seasonable as we close out that 7-day stretch. Not much change, kind of holding on to some slight chances for rain, but I think after Monday, it's looking pretty quiet. And again, I do want to highlight tomorrow, if you have plans, looking dry, which is good.
Very good. Yeah, I was going to say, at least we get Father's Day, and then see from there.
Watch out Monday.
Absolutely. Well,